Let me do it now. Thank God for food, there's no food so we can eat. There's the people in the world have nothing to eat. Another beautiful day. Yum and soft. Oh, delicious. Yum. Yummy lamb chops. Yum. It's soft.
The arrival of spring comes with an abundance of wildflowers.
So delicious.
Species grow here. Wildflowers entice pollinators by producing large quantities of nectar. Trigger plants are less subtle.
The compost.
Yeah,
Thank you for the food.
welcome, son.
Created by the larva of the scribbly gum moth. Rarely seen due to their size, here they terrain beneath the bark. As larvae develop, they form a belly pump, leaving behind these distinctive star patterns.
Good night.
Yeah, no, very much. Good night. God bless.
Good night.
Yeah. Welcome. Okay, sweetheart. God bless.
Dispersed across these wooded plateaus are marshy areas filled with sedges, herbs, and grasses.
Yeah.
Are the Blue Mountains hanging swamps.
We fought.
they hold back water,
What's for a pack?
gradually releasing it into the valleys below.
Vai flavor con la mania fi. A flavor one. Pekete one. Because sheep.
An eastern water skink, common along the banks of these streams. They feed on water beetles and aquatic insects. Each has their own territory. He's noticed an intruder, a juvenile mountain dragon. Egg robbing is a warning to the trespasser. And it's
Yummy and delicious. All the bone come easily out. Tata perete one.
before being seen. Yellow-tailed black cockatoos. One of the largest cockatoos in Australia. They have powerful beaks used to extract seeds
The bone
and
come out.
dig for wood borers.
Just pull out. It's so nice and soft. And lamb is so yummy.
They visit these streams in the afternoon before returning to the woodlands and the valleys below.
Thank God for another day. So yummy.